All right, boys and girls. Today during math class, we are going to be telling time hourly by using an analogous clock. An analogous clock will allow us to place the minute hand and the hour hand wherever we would like. Now, in the past, we learned that the big hand is the minute hand and that the small hand is the hour hand. If you remember learning about the different hands on the clock, please give me a thumbs up. Good job, boys and girls. I see that everyone has their thumb up. We've also learned that there are 24 hours in a full day, while each hour is 60 minutes long. Can I see a show of hands if you remember learning about the hours in a day and the minutes in an hour? Wow, I see lots of hands raised. Great job, boys and girls. Now, I'm going to show you on my analogous clock that there are 60 minutes in an hour. Please pay close attention. My clock is currently sitting at 12 o'clock p.m., which means that both the minute hand and the hour hand are placed on the 12. As I begin to move my clock, we should take note that the minute hand is moving by the minute. As I approach 12:59 p.m., we should know that it is soon about to change to 1 p.m. because there are 60 minutes in an hour. It is important for us to remember that there are 24 hours in a day and that there is an a.m. and a p.m. for each hour. If you have ever heard someone say midnight, they are referring to 12 o'clock a.m. And if you have ever heard someone say noon, they are referring to 12 o'clock p.m. Now, we are going to be using our analogous clocks to test our understanding. We're going to start by moving our clock to 2 o'clock p.m. Simon, can you move the clock to 2 o'clock p.m.? Let's check to see if you're correct. Great job, Simon! You moved our clock from 1 o'clock p.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. Emma, can you come move our clock to 4 o'clock p.m.? This is going to be a bit of a challenge because we are now moving 2 hours forward. Emma, let's check to see if you're correct. Great job, Emma! Boys and girls, Emma moved from 2 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. We said that there are 60 minutes in an hour, so how many minutes would be in 2 hours? Please hold up your answer on your whiteboard. The correct answer is 120, and I see that a lot of you have that on your whiteboards. Great job! The reason the answer is 120 is because we added on a whole other hour to this, so we had to double 60 minutes. Now, before we do our exit ticket, I'm going to have you do 3 problems with a partner. I will be walking around the classroom to answer any questions or help you as needed.